Welcome to Casa Mariola and welcome to Soliman Bay. First time?
First time. I mean, I have been all over the place, but was not expecting your own private bay here in Tulum. I mean, this is incredibly unique.
It's actually a really unique spot. We're still super centrally located, but it's a completely private enclave. In fact, it's the only private gated residential community that's beachfront in Tulum.
Why do you think people are coming here compared to different parts of Tulum?
I think primarily we're really looking to be close to town, but still be in a secure gated community. I think it's also the privacy that this bay gives you, right? Being a gated community and having only one way in, one way out, you're sure that your beach is completely private. It really sort of feels like your own bubble in your own world. And I think that's the beauty of this place.
The first thing I came in, you keep talking about privacy and this and that. Like, I couldn't tell if this was 1 floor, 4 floors. It's really secluded.
If you don't know that it's here, you can barely even see it. Yeah. The architect and the builder have really done an amazing job at keeping all of the natural nature around it. Actually, the family who owns this property are from Yucatan, the next state over. What we're really trying to do at Private Villas Mexico is to really have the individuality of each owner into each of the properties so that they can become their own little boutique hotel where guests can really sort of experience that individuality and that flavor from each owner. So Rob, I've heard you like drinking.
Where would you get that idea?
A couple past seasons, couple past shows. It seems to be a common theme.
Yeah.
This is really typical from the Yucatan.
Cheers.
It's a sweet shot. Well, it pairs very well with our welcome drink. Well, now that you're refreshed, you're in luck because the owner is here, and she's not only the owner, but she's also the designer and the architect of the house. So you should really go meet her.
I get the full scoop.
The full scoop.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Rob.
Drink this along the way. Hi.
Hi, welcome to Casa Mariola.
Rob, nice to meet you.
I'm Fernanda.
Hi, Fernanda. Ooh, these are fun. I am having probably the best time of my life. Your house is phenomenal.
Thank you so much.
They said you're the owner, but you're also the designer.
Right.
So give me a little bit of what your idea is when you wanted to build this place.
We have 5 kids, and we wanted to have a vacation family in the Caribbean. When we got to this bay, we just fell in love.
I mean, it's so private. It makes it incredibly unique.
Something that is very important is that there's corals everywhere, so there are no boats.
So you have that security of no waves. And when you have kids, that's a big deal.
That's a big deal.
Can you kind of give me the lay of the land from bedrooms from the top, working our way down?
Right, so at the top we have 2 double rooms. Then on the second floor we have the 2 kids' room and double room in the middle. And then on the bottom floor we have all the social area, living room, dining area, kitchen, and TV room. All rooms are beachfront. I love waking up and just opening the curtains and morning breeze, and I think it's very nice. I think that's what you come for.
Yeah. What's one of the things that you think is important when you want to have guests here?
When you go to the beach, you don't want to be cooking and cleaning. So we have a fully staffed house. We have chefs. We can have massage, yoga lessons, anything you want. We offer shuttle service and there's taxis everywhere. And many people come here and have a private party.
What else would you do like that? You see adults doing here a lot.
People come here just to enjoy time together. Definitely kayak is something that we really enjoy, and going scuba diving or snorkeling, it's amazing.
It seems like it's a big water time here. You got the pool, you got jacuzzi, you got this. I even see Jeremy already in his bathing suit, out with the dog, on the kayak. I mean, that's what this is.
That's what you're here for.
Cheers to you.
You're welcome anytime.